After discussing the platform part, let's move on to the very important carriage part of the machine. The importance of a printhead in a printing device goes without saying. And the baseboard of the printhead is the mounting base, which is particularly important in highly precision printing applications, directly affecting print quality and equipment stability. The optimization of the printhead baseboard mainly involving two parts. One is the material of the baseboard, which must be lightweight yet strong enough to ensure durability and resistance to deformation during high-speed printing. Second is its processing precision, which is crucial for ensuring the accuracy of the printhead jetting point. Precise hole positions and a proper angle adjustment can reduce printing deviation and improve the clarity and color uniformity of the printed image. JHF machines use aviation aluminum for the printhead baseboards, which are lightweight, strong, and have excellent corrosion resistance. For the processing precision of the printhead baseboard, each hole position is within plus or minus 0.01 mm. This level of precision ensures the accuracy of the printhead installation, thus guaranteeing the print quality. After processing is complete, we'll use a two-dimensional projector to inspect the hole position again to confirm that they meet the standard. By magnifying each hole 40 times and use corresponding data points to verify the precision and consistency of each hole, we can ensure that the quality requirements are met. If they are not up to standard, we will go back and conduct professional testing on the processing machines until it meets the requirements. After discussing the printhead baseboard, let's look at the guide rail and slider part that drive the movement of the carriage. In order to minimize precision loss and reduce deviation that may occur during our assembly, we require that the guide rail and slider be assembled by the supplier before shipment and then transported as a whole. This means that except for the matching installation with main beam, we do not perform any other secondary installations. For some guide rail parts with clear brand requirements and customization needs, we will also require that the supplier complete the replacement before shipment, and no secondary assembly or adjustment is allowed upon arrival at JHF. After the guide rail and the sliders are transported to the site, there's another important step: the installation and matching of the guide rail and the main beam. The processing precision for the holes on the main beam is extremely high. The guide rail installation holes are numerous and small, but only by perfectly matching the holes on the main beam with the guide rail holes from the suppliers results to a smooth assembly process and stability of the machine during the many years of high-speed operation.